Hey scientists! Alright, we are here back in Discovery Education and we're going to be starting again our unit on the water cycle. So when you log into Discovery Ed and you're on your home page, and remember just go up to that D logo here if you need to get to it, this assignment's going to pop up and it says, where did the water go? So go ahead and click on that assignment. Okay, and that is going to take you to this chapter. It's called Energy Transfer in the Water Cycle. That is the new unit that we're starting. And for today's assignment, you are going to be in the Engage section. You'll be completing the activities just on this Engage page. That's all you're doing for this assignment. So let's look at the page. The first thing says, can you explain? It says, how does the energy transfer cause water levels to drop in Lake Mead? So what you need to do to answer that question, watch this video about Lake Mead, okay? And answer this question, where is the water going? These are your initial ideas, your initial explanation for where that water is going. This is not something you're going to get right or wrong. Just write any ideas that you have. It's designed to get you thinking about the water cycle and activating kind of what you may already know about it. Okay? So once you've recorded your ideas there, hit save or then submit. Then read this paragraph here about water in Lake Mead, and the water in Lake Mead is a liquid, and it's going to give you just some background information about that. Just another picture. And then it's just telling you this concept you're going to learn about the water cycle and energy transfer. These two videos are extra if you'd like to watch them. You're not required to, but they're going to give you some background information that will definitely be helpful to you when you take your summative assessment. So if you are so inclined, you can watch those videos. It's not required. And then you're going to answer these questions. And what do you already know about energy transfer in the water cycle? So for this first thing, it says there are some examples of different parts of the water cycle are listed below. Match each example with the correct part. So again, don't worry about getting this right or wrong at first. This is just to see what you already know, and hopefully you'll start generating some questions if you don't know. So if it says a shallow river dries up, you're just going to match that to whichever one of these things you think that is. When you have all four matched, please hit submit, and it'll let you know which ones you got incorrect. Now, this last part here, remember, a lot of kids forget, this actually has two parts to it, because remember it has these two tabs. The first part is the Energy of Particles tab, and it says all matter contains energy. Each of the following images shows water in a different state. Think about the particles that make up each sample of water. Then order the images. The sample made up of the particles with the least energy belongs on top. The sample made up of particles with the most energy belongs on the bottom. Again, do your best on this. We're just sort of activating what you already know. And then remember, you have to go over to the second tab, explain your answers. And in this place, in this one, you're going to explain why you ordered them the way you did. Okay. Once you've completed both of those parts on that tab, oops, sorry, I went the wrong way, hit submit, and you are done with this part of the assignment. Okay, go back into your digital science notebook then and make sure you record where you are on your learning target. All right, let me know if you have any questions.